welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since the last time that I uploaded a video. I'm so sorry for that, but I've been working on this bedroom video for a couple months now, and it really took a while because I needed to do some constructions work. So if I look different in some snippets from time to time, that is exactly why. I don't know, I've been wanting to do this room makeover thing for a while now because I was just like not comfortable being in a space. The room just didn't speak me, and I wanted it to be more comfortable for me to like unwind at the end of the day and just have a cup of tea and just kind of chill, you know. So that's exactly what I did. Transformed my room, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. And if you're indoors and thinking to also do the same, I hope this video can bring some inspiration for you and kind of give some ideas of the things that I did. So with that being said, let's get started. For this side of the wall, I'm just gonna apply some fake brick wall, while the other side will be done by paint, just so it looks more put together and nice for this quite tiny of a room. And by the way, you can get these on Amazon as well. If you guys see the wallpaper here, it's like really old. I don't like how it looks. This is probably really bad for my feng shui, but I have a door there. I have another door that's like the actual door, and another door. So this door is supposed to lead to the bathroom, but the other side is actually also blocked with something so that I can't come in. I cannot do much with this because this is like really big. It's taking almost like half of the space, so I can't move it, but I'm gonna try to like kind of do something with it. This cabinet used to be like over here, and it was also taking so much space. So the fact that I moved it there, I kind of can think clearer now. I just laid down some newspaper on the floor, and we are ready to paint the wall. It's Saturday right now, 7 a.m. or 8. I hope I can get this done by today so I can like start doing the actual decorating. Finally done with painting the room, and now we're gonna get on with the flooring, and it looks super white. It's not like the annoying wallpaper that I hate earlier. So flooring, I made a trip to my local construction store to choose the best options that I have. I opted for these wooden stick-on planks. I'm sure you can find these on Home Depot as well, but I kind of regretted not getting like the metered ones, but it's okay. Hey guys, I'm just basically layouting my floor right now, and I'm not sticking anything yet. This is like vinyl sticker. It has like a peel off thing in the back so that it's like easier application, and I don't have to deal with glue, so that's always like a plus. And here I have like poster papers, acts like a subfloor, so it still kind of protects the actual floor. Hey guys, just checking in. I'm done with the flooring. As you can see, everything's wood now, so I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna start adding more decorations, and I'm gonna get some more rugs or like one of those like bohemian tassels so that my room looks like an Urban Outfitter catalog. I don't know. Got my mirror in the mail, so I'm just gonna unbox them real quick and then hopefully place them somewhere that looks good in the room. I got these from AliExpress. It's really cute, bohemian rug, but it took like 2 months for it to ship out, so I wouldn't really recommend it if you want it delivered faster. I also added a white fabric on the side of the wall, just kind of frame everything together. Got floating shelves, so I'm gonna like stick it over here so that I can like put some plants around this area. I know this is a complete mess right now, please don't mind me. Alright, I just finished putting up the shelves. I'm gonna put some decorations up here, so hopefully it looks pretty. I got these plants online, just kind of whatever I feel like would suit the room. So I opted for these really tall ones, and some of the hanging plants are actually fake, but some of the other plants are real. So just kind of whatever you like. Wow. Oh my god, I actually love this corner so much. It looks so luscious and green. Okay, I just need to add a little bit more plants shenanigans, and then I think we're good to go on this part of the room. Okay, so I just got rid of everything on the table. I'm gonna clean it real quick and then cover it with some fur, like fake fur of course, and reorganize my little vanity here because it was so messy earlier. Now for my desk, I moved it to the side of the room so I can have it facing the wall, and I can decorate some stuff with it, like putting some candles also, and some like little flowers so I can just be motivated when I'm doing some work. And as for these hanging macrame decorations, I got them online. You can also find them on Etsy. I also got this stool from Ikea, which I'm gonna decorate with some more plants, but this is also gonna be my mini bedside table to store little, you know, bedtime trinkets here and there. And this is easily like my favorite piece in the room. It adds a lot of pizzazz and it's so cool. Which one should I get? And there you have it. This is what my room looks like now, and I really love the macrame, and I really love like the plants and stuff like that. It really adds a lot of pizzazz to the room. Like simple but like pretty nice to look at, you know. I don't get bored from it, and I hope you love it as much as I do. With that being said, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.